Hello again. Today I'm doing another plan with me using a kit from my own shop, NovaPrintsCo, and it is called Pawnee Forever. So I'm just getting started with the sidebar box over here and then kind of figuring out, just like last week, how I want the boxes placed throughout the week. So I started with the boxes that had the characters on them and then put in the patterned boxes or the other boxes after that. And then let's see, we're looking at the glitter headers, we're checking out the washi, and then I moved or switched these two boxes because I didn't want that waffle washi to be so close to that waffle box. I'm kind of picky that way, I guess. And then just throwing down those glitter headers. You can see my cat popped in. She's watching as I plan during this segment, which is cute. Her name is Nova. She's actually she's what my shop is named after, NovaPrintsCo. So yeah, that's my little baby. Working on the sidebar now. So yeah, this week was pretty boring. It was the last week I had of winter break, so I was pretty much just like relaxing and working on my shop and my Instagram and YouTube, trying to get things going so that they'll be a little bit easier once I get back into school. I'm starting on Tuesday of this coming week as I record this. It's Monday the 15th and I start on the 16th, so yeah, just putting down a checklist for some things I had to do on that Monday, looking through my Munchkin collection in my Once More With Love album. That's where I store those. And I put down a best friend sticker for hanging out with Shelby, and then put down a label from the kit for going to dinner with a couple friends for our friend Katerina's birthday, and then we went out and saw Insidious 4. Yeah, it was pretty good, pretty predictable. I wouldn't see it again or anything, but they did a good job with scaring you with the anticipation, I think. Yeah, it was a good enough movie. Alright, so I got that weekend banner down. I'm cutting up another checklist for Tuesday. On that day I was trying to kind of figure out what I wanted to do job-wise during the school year, so that checklist has a lot of things to do with that. This was a really productive day, actually. I cleaned the apartment, worked on a lot of good stuff, so yeah. I wish I had switched that movie night and the movie marquee, because I feel like it makes more sense to use a marquee when you actually go to the movie theater. And on Tuesday I didn't go to a movie theater, I just watched a movie at home, so whatever. It doesn't really matter, but I kind of wish I had switched those, but whatever. So yeah, I read that night, and then I watched The Black Cauldron. That's what that marquee is for. It's a Disney movie that I used to love when I was little, and I saw that it was on Hulu, so I watched it that night. Putting down a planner sticker on Wednesday, and then the office sticker from my shop that has Dwight on it. Putting down a half box because I actually got hired at a new job on this day, so I put down a happy munchkin, but you'll see later I removed that and switch up this box altogether because I didn't like the way I wrote on that box, so I ended up switching it. Putting down some little things. And yeah, that is the first half of the week. I think I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. Yep. And this week, again, I was using that Once More With Love pen that I got from her 2-year anniversary box. Yeah, I'm just writing down that I had to call some places. I put down a little phone icon from the kit. And I had to buy some food for my cat, so I put down a Coffee Monsters Co. Feed me cat emoji. And yeah, just filling out all this stuff, and here you'll see I don't like how that looks, so ripped it up. And I tried to save the Munchkin from that box, but it was pretty much wrecked. So I used these stickers from a Hanukkah set that I got as an oops type of deal from Once More with Love. But it looks like she's like holding cookies, and Insomnia is a cookie place, so I thought it would work. And then filling out that sidebar a little bit. The to-do list was for like general to-dos for the week, and the weekly ombre I used for next week's stuff, so I put down my class schedule on there on the sidebar. But yeah, back to the second part of the week. If you look at my wrist, you can see like some scratches on my hand there. That's from my cat. She's kind of evil sometimes, and she scratched me up there, so you might have been able to see that in my last video too. But it's pretty much healed now. It didn't actually hurt, so whatever. But I just wanted to explain what that is. Yeah, so putting down a lot of stickers from the kit. Decorating a label with some washi, or what am I talking about? Waffle deco. And putting down a half box. And I didn't really know how I wanted to like structure the end of the day on this day. I did a lot of things on this day. I hung out with Shelby, so I wanted to include as much of it as I could, so I kind of had to get creative. I cut up one of the ombre heart checklist boxes, because I don't really use those since I do a lot of white space, but I like how those look, so I wanted to use them. So yep, cut that up on Friday. You can see that's all filled in at this point. Moving on to Saturday, I watched The Office, went and gotten some food, and relaxed the rest of the day. And then Sunday I pretty much spent with my parents. I watched The Girl on the Train with my mom, which is a really good book, and the movie's, I think, a good representation of the book as well, so I would recommend either of them, but more so the book, I think. I think the book was really good, so yeah. And then at night, there was a Vikings game, and we won, so that's cool. I don't really care about football, but I did watch that with my dad, and it was a really cool game. So yeah, that is my spread. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. Bye-bye.